Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, March 31st, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's weather. High of 79, low of 61, partly cloudy, 0% of rain. Breakfast. Pancake on a stick, fruit choice, juice choice, fruit choice. Lunch. Corn dog, french fries, sugar cookie, juice choice, fruit choice. Today's birthday. Jason May. Happy birthday. Today's announcement. ACAP summative testing continues today. We know our 4th and 5th grade scholars have set some awesome goals for their ACAP scores, and we are cheering them on. Late duty. Today is Miss Tarver. Important dates. April 7th, 3rd quarter honor walk. April 14th, Kona Ice and Spring picnic. April 17th through 21st, spring break, no school. April 27th, archery field trip. April 28th, D-Bakey drugs bus. May to the 1st to the 5th, book fair. May 10th, Sunnyside Theater. May 11th, graduation walk, 10 o'clock. May 16th, pre-K and kindergarten program, 1 o'clock. May 17th, Kona Ice. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Shepherd Scholars.